Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, coordinator, and my friends. My name is Karki from grade 4A1. Today I am going to talk about discipline. So let's get started. What is discipline? Discipline is one of the most essential elements of human being, which makes us the smartest of all living beings. Discipline is considered to be the key to success in life. Discipline gives us better health, more respect, and above all, it makes us a perfect human being. Whether at home or school, we must be disciplined everywhere. When we were a child, our parents taught us how to be disciplined. For example, getting up early in the morning, brushing our teeth every day, doing our homework in time, and respecting elders, etc. It is not easy to be disciplined. We need to be patient, obey our parents, teachers, and everyone's orders. Thank you for listening.